here we are again. So, it turns out the Fiesta's gone, and a lot of you already know what I've bought, but here it is. Ta-da! So I thought I'd just quickly update you with the reasons why, and kind of what's going on with the channel and my cars. So as you can see, Hyundai i30N is what I've purchased. I got rid of the Fiesta via the dealer because I like the easy life. I don't want to do private sales. I know money's sky high at the minute, but I got a good deal with a dealer. So yeah, here it is. It's in their obviously special blue colour, and I've got the interior, which we'll zoom into now, which you can't see, but I'll show you in a minute. So I've got the only option in the UK that you can get, which is the sport seats. So I purchased those as well, which are very nice, I must admit. So the reasons for getting rid of the Fiesta, I'd just kind of fallen out of love with it. You'd probably seen it in the last few videos on this channel where things were cropping up every now and then. And it just got to the point where, because it was stage 3, reliability was always on my mind. Although it had been really, really good, it had kind of stopped me from doing long trips, etc. So yeah, that's the reason why I've got this brand new car. I don't plan on touching it much. If anything, there'll just be the odd little thing here and there. Really will not be going bigger turbo on this car. So it's got 280 brake horsepower, which is plenty enough for on the road, with obviously a lot of different features in there. So this is the DCT version, so the dual clutch system, flappy panels, you know, good old flappy paddles. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm basically going to be using this car for longer trips. I want to do more trips up to like Scotland, into France, Cornwall, etc. And this will kind of give me the reliability and the comfort that I've kind of wanted. So yeah, they're the main reasons why. I just thought I'd update you guys on what's happening with the car situation. There may be a few videos, but obviously they're all going to be Hyundai related now, and obviously we're going to keep this channel as, how can we say it, helpful as possible. So although obviously most of my fans are Hyundai fans, they're not Hyundai fans, Fiesta fans. Although most of you are Fiesta scene, obviously if you want to leave, you can leave. But I might upload a few videos that will be helpful for Hyundai owners, because there's not many UK videos that kind of show you the car and the stuff and everything involved with it. So yeah, just an idea. But anyway, a few little cinematics for you, and then I shall leave you be. I hope everyone's safe and well and all good, and I shall see you guys in the near future.